Hello students, this is very important question to the examination point of view. Integration minus 1 to 2 modulus of x cube minus x into dx. Now first break these limits. How to break these limits? First we put x cube minus x equal to 0. Therefore taking as a common x, this will be x square minus 1 equal to 0 or x into x minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore we can get the value of x from this factor x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 1. That means limit minus 1 to 2 break in 3 intervals. Therefore limit minus 1 to 2 breaks into 3 intervals as minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0 or sorry, this is the included, so minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to upper limit 2 and 1 to 2. Now this integrating factor divide into 3 integrating factor and we can write therefore integration minus 1 to 2 modulus of x cube minus x into dx equal to integration first limit minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x into dx plus integration 0 to 1 x cube minus x into dx plus 1 to 2 x cube minus x into dx. Since these signs are not correct, we correct here. Check x cube minus x either positive or negative in the interval minus 1 to 0. I check here and told you in interval minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x will be greater than or equal to 0. Reason that if we take any number between minus 1 to 0 or minus 1 and 0, then this is always gives you a positive number. That means if you put here x equal to 0, therefore 0 minus 0, this will be equal to 0. And if you take minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube minus 1, this will be minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. And if you take minus 0.2, which is lie between 0 to minus 1, then this will be minus 0.2 whole cube minus 0.2 equal to, this will be minus 0.008 plus 0.2, which gives us is greater than 0. That means this is a positive number. So this will be positive. That means we can write minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x into dx. Now check this. That means x cube minus x between 0 to 1. What will be sign of this integrating factor? Means positive and negative. This will be negative. You can check like this to this. So this will be minus 0 to 1 x cube minus x into dx plus what will be sign of this integrating factor from 1 to 2, this will be also positive, so this will be positive integration 1 to 2 x cube minus x into dx. Now integrate each integrating factor, so integration of this will be x raised to the power 4 minus x square upon 2 from minus 1 to 0 minus this will be also x to the power 4 upon 4 minus x square upon 2 0 to 1 plus this will be x raised to the power 4 upon 4 minus x square upon 2 1 to 2. Now putting the limits, then this will be, if you put 0 on place of x, so this will be already 0, minus if you put minus 4 minus 1 on the place of x, then this will be 1 by 4 minus this will be 1 by 2, minus if we put 1 on the place of x, so this will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and if we apply the 0, then this will be 0, plus if we put on the place of x 2, then this will be 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16 upon 4 minus this will be 4 upon 2 minus on the place of x put 1, then this will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is the cancel, this will be 4, this will be 2, and here what will be minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, and this will be minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus this will be 4 minus 2 means 2, and minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Since 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, this will be 3 by 2, that means 1 and half, this will be 3 by 2 and plus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, this will be minus 3 by 4. Now this will be equal to 3 by 4 taking LCM. LCM will be 4. So this will be 6 plus 8 minus 4 multiplied by 4 in this, so this will be 6 multiplied by 4 into this will be 8 multiplied by 4 into this, so this will be minus 3. This will be equal to 6 minus 3 3 plus 8 11, means 11 upon 4. This is the answer of this integration.